Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi everyone, today we're going to the Sovereign Center in Liguanea. I think my camera is a little lean, but I can't really adjust it right now because the road is very bumpy. And I think if I adjust my camera, it's gonna fall off the stand. I've been struggling with the stand for the camera. I need to get a different camera holder. This is my second one, but this is very noisy, so it doesn't do the trick. I have to be holding the camera with my hand sort of, even though it's in the holder. So I'm hoping I don't have to stop the video because I want to show how we get there. So we're going to Liguanea, and I've shown you on at least 2 previous videos coming from Old Hope Road. We're on Old Hope Road going to the intersection of Old Hope Road and Hope Road and Barbican Road. So to your left is Hope Road, to your right is Old Hope Road. So we are on Old Hope Road, so this Old Hope Road continues on the right to go up Hope Road side, and if you go straight across, that will be Barbican Road. So I'm gonna make a little stop first at the ATM, the drive-through ATM, and then from there we'll continue. So I could go straight across and the stoplight and turn left into Sovereign, but because I'm going to the ATM, look at this man. What is he doing? The man's just stopping at the middle of the road like that. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna turn left. Keep your eye on the right side when you're turning this, making this left turn. On your left we have Liguanea Post Office Mall, where if you can do regular post office stuff, and if you have a mailbox you can go there and access it. On your right is Liguanea Avenue. This avenue takes you back to Barbican too. So to Barbican Road. I don't like to use my ATM card at the gas station, so I just get cash for that and for my toll. Okay guys, so the security company that does the ATM servicing just finished their thing. So it's a drive-through. This is a JMMB ATM in Liguanea. So it's a drive around. Somebody's before me, so let me pause a little. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm going back to I think you can also exit down the bottom, but I'm not sure because of the construction. You can exit on Hope Road, but I'm going to Sovereign Center, so this is the next entrance. It has 2 entrances and 3 exits, so the two of the entrances can be used as exits, like this one. This is the back entrance. So I'm gonna, a lot of it is one way. It's 3 levels. levels, I think. Three? I think it's 3 levels. The top floor, you see on the left there, Jade Garden is a really nice Chinese restaurant. Really nice Chinese restaurant. It's on the top floor. And the cinema is also on the top floor. And I think there's the other places on the top floor. On the bottom, you have a bookshop. And you have like a computer like a tech store. Innovative, I think is the name. Systems. That's one of my favorite places to go and get like my printer ink and so. And you have this little part here on it to the left where you have Rapid True Value and Amar's. Amar's is like one of the oldest department stores in Jamaica. They sell everything. And then just above that you have a Monarch Pharmacy, a nice pharmacy. And then you have the inner part, but these are on the outskirts. So just doing a little drive around. So you have a Payless store on your left here. It's not hard to get parking in here sometimes. So I'm showing you the outskirts and I park and go inside. On your left you have like Island Gems, and it's almost a jewelry store. And I also have the Flow store, that is digital store too. Two competitors beside each other. And here you have the Southern Supermarket. And then you have Cafe Blue, a lovely coffee shop. And then you have another place a little further down. Where is it going now? So I'm just gonna find a parking now and go inside. I'm really going to the bookstore. I'm gonna stop by the shoe store. That's Lee's 5th Avenue. There and another department store that sells shoes and clothes, handbags and all of that. At one point they were the best shoe store in Jamaica. That's the main reason I don't come up here more often. The parking is not so hard to get parking. Somewhere like they should have had some underground parking. You have a parking yet and somebody driving one at the same time and it just sort of make you feel like you're going faster than you're going. This is the back entrance, or the side, one of the side entrance. We have a souvenir store on your right. You can get Bob Marley shirts and all of that. Jamaica stuff. That's the name of it. I don't know. Bob Marley shirt. Bathing suit. Mugs and all of that. You have a jewelry store. Advertising the movies. Color Purple showing. Mean Girls showing. Beekeeper. So that is the main entrance. We have Fandangles. It's a kids store, gift store for kids and all of that. My Fandangles Kids. We have Shoeholics. It's a shoe store. And we have MAC Makeup. You know, you know. On your right, you have Payless. And you have the next exit on your right going out. Upstairs is the top floor. You have an eyeglasses place up there. I think I need to go check it out. You have Goldmine Jewelers. Yeah, this view is better. Goldmine Jewelers, a nice jewelry store, and they sell nice handbags too. You have a food court downstairs. You have the bookstore. And the fountain. And you have food court. Island Grill, a nice pastry place, pizza place, Chinese place, Jamaican food KFC. You have a sports store here, Sports Craze. And this store is new. It's like a household store. Yeah, this is where I'm going. Lee's Fifth Avenue store. Look, some shoes. So you have menswear, women's wear, and you have like lingerie to the back and stuff. And you have jackets and stuff over there, women clothing and all of that. So we're gonna go to the shoe section, is on your right. I love this, but that is about 30,000 Jamaican dollars. I love this too. And go upstairs from here. They have a salon up there and a travel agency. I want to go to Vision Plus to check out the glasses. They have a Crocs store. And another place named Glamorous Chic. And I want to go down to the bookstore down the bottom. Bookstore down the bottom. It's like, I'm not sure what this is. Morgan Street. It's a what? Made in Jamaica. Okay. How much of that them are going to sell to pay them rent here? You have answers for children. You usually have clothing and baby stuff. And bags and all of that, everything for babies in there. So they have a grill place now, sizzling grill, and a fish spot is there now, where the KFC used to be. I haven't been in here in a while. Or is the KFC? Oh, the KFC is still more to the right. And you have a natural food store. Natural food store, and you have this innovative system. It's my type of store. So we have Crocs. So you have the Flow store and you have the Payless store. So I'm gonna go down. So we're going down. This is the main entrance. we have a courier place, another courier place. Online shopping, Gangsters bookstore, that's where I'm going. I have Island Grill. Strawberry cheesecake, $5.40. Carrot cupcake, Bailey's cheesecake, chocolate cupcake, $4.85. Banana Nutella meringue. That tree, half and half cake. It's my favorite material. Hummingbird cake by my photo. So they have a lot of different, they have the omega and herb cereal. They have a lot of cereal, very, and you have the pasta. The pasta is made from like chickpeas or something like that? Quinoa. Okay, great. That is interesting. Pasta from quinoa. How much for them? The penny. Okay. Okay, great. They have moringa protein powder. And then over here they have arrowroot and a lot of other things. Green banana flour, quinoa flour, sweet potato flour, hemp flour, red lentil. These are beans and seeds and oats, whole oats and goji berries, all sorts of stuff, dried fruits, and a lot of stuff in here. Very interesting. Let me see. This is the store. French Celtic sea salt, unrefined sea salt, vanilla powder. I didn't know vanilla was in powder. Okay, today my lunch is not gonna be so healthy. It's gonna be bun and cheese because I didn't have the time to cook and make a really nice lunch. So because of that, I'm gonna really eat a lot of fruits today. So I have some cantaloupe, some melon, I have a banana, I have 2 apples. I'm just carrying one for a little old lady in the office that I want to eat healthier, so I'm taking 1 apple for her, 1 for me. And I have some nuts. Make sure I stock up on the pumpkin seeds because these are good for getting rid of parasites from the body. And I'm gonna have my coffee today, and I'm not sure what they should keep me, hopefully for the day. And then I really should have like a salad or some more veggies and some really good strong protein. But as I say, every day will not be perfect, but we do the best we can because we are busy working people. So we just do the best we can sometimes. And I don't have the time every day to go on the road to buy lunch, or every time to cook and make a nice cook lunch. So this is how it is today. Okay guys, I'm gonna exit. Let me go on the smaller view. It's a beautiful sunny day. Sky is nice and pretty, but it is hot, very hot. Jamaicans don't like to walk far, you know. Even though it's within the same plaza, they want to park right at the door, at the entrance. So like when we go abroad and we have to walk far to get in the mall, Jamaicans mind that. So there's the next exit, right, that I would have taken on Barbican Road. They have made some changes. You cannot turn right because it used to cause a lot of congestion with the people coming over from the stoplight sign. So you have to exit here, and there's another exit up the top there, but I'm not sure what is because I've done so many videos on the old Hope Road side. I think, what should I do? Alright, I'm gonna go straight down. Not sure. Alright, so we're gonna turn left onto Liguanea Avenue. That is Hope Road. I'm always saying this is Hope Road. Now we're gonna turn right. If we turn left and then take Old Hope Road and go down straight to Crossroads, I'm gonna turn right and just show you a little what it looks like to drive from this road into New Kingston via one of the side roads. We can drive at the back entrance to Campion College side. The reason the road is bumpy, you know, is because they keep just doing little patches, you know, on the road. So everything is just uneven. So I'm gonna turn left here on Hopefield Avenue. We have Christ Star Villas there on your right. It's a hotel. So watch it back, man. Let me know the delivery guys. A lot of apartments around here. This is the back entrance to Campion College. So this is where the parents go to their pickups. And the main parking lot around there. A lot of apartments around here. Official residence of the Prime Minister it is, but he doesn't live there. That is a Jamaica owned residence for the Prime Minister on the right here. You see it from this side. On the left is Seaview Avenue, on the right is Musgrave Road, Lady Musgrave Road. Now we are on Lady Musgrave Road again, which we have done in previous videos. AC Hotel on your left. Thank you again for watching, guys, and remember to like my video, to subscribe. Just touch on that little red arrow at the bottom right hand of the screen, and also to subscribe, to share, to comment. Just say nice video, anything, because that helps my video to grow. So I want to monetize to reach my 1,000 subscribers soon, so that I can get to do a lot more interesting videos. So thanks, guys, because right now YouTube is doing ads, but I'm not getting any money from the ads because I'm not monetized. So thanks again for watching. I so appreciate you tuning into my channel, and also check out my other, like my cooking videos. I do some Jamaican stuff too. So next time we'll do the next video. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Bye.